After unpacking, check the name of the instrument according to the packing list. Instrument accessories and quantity. 50 mm quartz plate, 38 mm quartz plate, 125 ml distilled flask quartz door, 100 ml measuring cylinder, temperature sensor deflector flask branch sealing plug, cleaning lead, sensor, sealing plug touch pen silicone gasket O-ring, thermal printing paper instructions certificate of conformity warranty card. Quartz door installation. Take the cross screwdriver. Remove the to-fixing screws. Align the quartz door hole with the bracket fixing hole. And tighten the two screws. Complete quartz door installation. According to distillation flask specifications, select the appropriate quartz orifice plate. This time, a 125 ml distillation flask was used. 50 mm quartz orifice plates can be used. The quartz orifice plate is mounted above the heating device. Unscrew the retainer bolt for the distillation flask. Take the silicone gasket and insert it into the distillation flask branch. Install to the instrument and tighten the lower lever. Raise the heater. Bring the quartz orifice plate into full contact with the bottom of the distillation flask. Adjust the distillation flask position. After the adjustment is completed, lower heating device. Remove the distillation flask. Prepare for later experiments. Connect the power supply to the back panel of the instrument. Turn on the power switch. Instrument boot. Boot complete. Automatically enter the main interface. Main interface. Quick selection of current test sample items. For example, diesel, gasoline, washing oil, methanol, or toluene. This location shows the current cold bath temperature, recovery room temperature, and steam temperature. The menu bar is divided into system settings, method settings, historical data, equipment testing, instrument calibration, and debugging 6 items. Among them, System Settings. Click System Settings. Enter password 0. Click to confirm. Enter System Settings. Touch screen calibration. Automatic printing, nitrogen protection data, automatic upload. Reclaimed startup limit. Cold bath start limit, check and close accordingly. Code modification, click Method Settings. Enter password 0. Click OK. Enter Method Setting interface. Method settings can be performed on the corresponding test items. Includes default items: diesel, gasoline, wash oil, methanol, toluene. Customers can also create new ones according to the type of sample. Interface settings are execution standards. You can click the arrow position to make the corresponding standard selection. Temperature mode is divided into measured temperature, low temperature mercury thermometers, and high temperature mercury thermometers. This instrument uses a precision electronic temperature sensor. The temperature collected is the true temperature, transformed into fully immersed mercury thermometer data. So choose a low temperature mercury thermometer or high temperature mercury thermometer. Make corrections. According to the distillation point temperature, select the appropriate mercury thermometer. Recycling room temperature setting. Click on the blank area to modify it according to the corresponding national standard requirements, or test the chemical properties of the sample. Set the recovery room temperature. Distillation rate setting. Liquid recovery rate during distillation. Click on the blank space to modify it. Cold bath setting, cold bath temperature, and cold well temperature setting. For specific temperatures, please refer to the corresponding execution standards. Due to some standards, or the sample cold bath needs to be controlled in sections. Different stages of cold bath temperature are different. Optional not to segment. Recovery volume and steam temperature. Normal experiment selection is not segmented. If you choose the recovery volume, recycling volume and temperature settings are available. If you choose the steam temperature setting possible. Select the default unsegmented this time. The power setting is divided into 3 stages. Power before outflow. Outflow power, medium power. Adjust percentage. Medium power volume. Power before outflow. The power used before the outflow point appears. Outflow power. The power used after the appearance of the outflow point. When the recovery body, when the product reaches the medium-term power volume set in the method. Power is adjusted to current power. 1 plus midterm power adjustment percentage. This is the last power adjustment during distillation. The first ending condition is the middle flow point, dry point recovery volume. Temperature and outflow point. Usually recycled volume. You can also check the second closing condition. Make corresponding settings. Includes recovery volume and steam temperature. Setup complete. Click Save. The current method can be saved. Click to exit. Return to the main interface. Historical data. Click on Historical data. Historical test data can be viewed. Click on the corresponding record to view it. Historical data. The USB stick can be deleted. Export data, upload, printing, and other operations. Click to exit. Return to the main interface. Equipment testing. Outflow point available. Recycling fan. Detection of electric furnace fans and other related functions. Click to exit. Return to the main interface. Instrument correction. Enter password 0. Click the Confirm button. Click the OK button to enter the correction interface. 2 barrels of calibration can be performed separately: temperature correction and air pressure correction. Hit the Exit button. Return to the main interface. Debugging function for engineers to debug. Close to the public. Fire extinguishing device. This instrument is equipped with a fire extinguishing system. The ignition point in the heater can be detected immediately. In the event of a fire, all components of the instrument will be powered off. At the same time, a valve connected to a fire extinguisher source such as nitrogen opens automatically. Exhale the flame. There is also a fire extinguishing valve button on the instrument operation interface. The valve connecting the fire extinguishing material opens when pressed. Exhale the flame. During distillation, the instrument must be connected to the fire extinguisher source. The fire removal function is when the distillation is completed. The instrument automatically reduces the mechanism to the minimum in an instant. Avoid residual temperature of electric distillation furnace from affecting distillation results. The fire removal operation can also be carried out through the main interface.